Callouts and markers are labels used to provide reference information for your drawings. To place a callout, go to the Text tool. Click on Callout, then click inside the plan. Text is entered into the callout specification dialog in the box marked Callout Label. Enter additional text in the space marked Text Below Line for a more detailed callout. A collection of shapes are available to select from. These can be further customized by adjusting the size and orientation. In the Attributes panel, options are available to further customize the visual characteristics of the callout. Add a cross-section line, arrows, and more. Then adjust the line and text styles in the remaining two panels. Select an existing callout. Edit handles will appear. Move the callout with the center edit handle. Adjust its size with the side edit handle. Add additional arrows by dragging out the diamond-shaped edit handle. The small triangular-shaped edit handles make it possible to rotate arrows and cross-section lines into position. The large triangular edit handle allows you to rotate all arrows at once. Now let's place a marker. To place a marker, return to the Text tools and select Marker. There are 4 available marker types: level line, test boring, point marker, and framing reference. To view examples of each of these, click the Help button at the bottom of the dialog to open the reference manual. Like callouts, when the level line is selected, text can be entered above and below the line. Move, resize, and rotate markers by using the same edit handles discussed for callouts. Create a more complete plan. Add notes to 2D and 3D views, and reference important design elements with callouts and markers.